Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with 1Password in a new iPhone setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, power on your new iPhone and follow the initial setup process. Select your preferred language and region. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network for the best experience. When prompted, choose to restore from a backup or set up as new. If you're setting up as new, proceed to the home screen. Locate and open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type 1Password and select it from the results. Tap the download button to install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the 1Password app. You will see a welcome screen with options to sign in. If you already have an account, tap on Sign In. Enter your email address and master password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter the code sent to your device. Complete the authentication process to access your vault. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account to set up a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to establish your account. Make sure to generate a strong master password you can remember. Once your account is set up, you can start adding passwords and secure notes. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Check the settings to customize the app according to your preferences. You are now ready to securely manage your passwords with 1Password on your new iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.